Conquer and inspire. Welcome everybody, YouTubers. This is Damian Bailey from Damian Bailey Fitness. Conquer and inspire. I want you guys to follow along and watch this nice, great, intense shoulders and back routine. You could do it. You could break it down day by day, or you could just do it on the same day. That's what I did today. I did shoulders and I did back. Know that you will be in the gym for a while, so it's good to break it down. But watch this video. Leave your thoughts, leave your feedbacks. Do not go extra heavy. It's all about the form. If you don't have the form, don't do it. Go light and then progress. Like and share, conquer and inspire. God bless y'all.